teachers and dear friends. I, Gagandeep Kaur, student of MSc Mathematics FYIP Semester 4 from Kanya Mahavidyalaya Jalandhar. Today I will talk about the Digansh Yantra, its construction, working and scientific importance. Dig means direction and Yantra means instrument. So Digansh Yantra is used to measure and align. From astronomical perspective, Digansh Yantra is based on the apparent diurnal motion of sun's movement which caused due to Earth's rotation about its axis. The instrument uses solar position to establish east-west axis, which in turn determination of cardinal direction and inner cardinal directions. Now let me explain the construction of Digansh Yantra. It is constructed of three cylinders. One outer cylinder and two inner cylinders. Outer cylinder is of height 11 cm and two inner cylinders are of same height of 5.5 cm. All the three cylinders are of same thickness of 4 cm. The special feature is that the outer cylinder is twice as long as the two inner cylinders. This 1:2 creates a perfect balance which is used to create a yantra. Let us understand how yantra works. The Digansh yantra used to measure azimuth of the sun. It is placed on a flat surface aligned with east-west direction using sunlight. When sunlight falls on yantra, the shadow formed on the inner circular cylinder of these walls during the day due to apparent movement of the sun causes Earth's rotation. The spherical shape of yantra helps to maintain uniform and accurate shadow is formed. A pin is placed on the inner circular cylinder. The pin is adjusted to that it aligns with the center of the ring or a gnomon, which casts the shadow as the sun moves. The shadow shifts along the inner wall. The movement of the pin and rope corresponding to this shadow shift. The point where the rope overlaps the marking on the floor slab indicates the azimuth angle of the sun at that moment. As we know, the latitude of Jalandhar is 31 degree. Now, sun's light falls on this gnomon, forms the shadow, and with the help of this thread we can calculate the angle is also approximately 31 degree. So by this observation, this marking throughout the day, the Digansh yantra effectively record the completion of a 360 rotation, thereby by demonstrating the rotation of the earth allowing precise directional measurements. From scientific point of view, Digansh yantra uses simple but effective principles through its geometry and symmetrical shape. Digansh yantra also improves the human sense of direction. In yantra mantra tradition, yantra controls space while mantra activates energy. When mantra is chanted near the Digansh yantra, some vibration produced and move slowly through the circular structure. Hence, Digansh yantra is not just a religious symbol. It's a practical instrument that shows how ancient Indian knowledge combines with astronomy, physics, maths, and spiritual understanding. Thank you.